Bismillah, assalamu alaikum. You're welcome to another day on Cook with HHM. Today I'm going to be doing something delicious as usual, and it's going to be Niger flavored. Yes, if you've been guessing due to the ingredients you are seeing here, I think your guess is so right. Today I'm going to be making sardine sandwich. So using Nigerian bread, our normal local bread, not the exotic or all those type of bread that I used to make. This normal bread. So you can make this sandwich with any kind of bread, but in today's episode we are going to be using this normal Nigerian bread to make it, and it's obviously not a sliced bread. As you see, I was the one that sliced it. So I sliced them to the sizes that I want, the thickness that I want. The ingredient for this recipe is so simple, very few basic ingredients. We have here our bread already sliced. We also have here our sardine, and we have here our mayonnaise. Those are the ingredients we shall be needing for this preparation. This is a super quick breakfast for the family. I believe your kids will love it. What I'll do next is to go empty my sardine into a bowl. Always ensure you wash the surface of your tin. Any store-bought item, especially milk, sardine and the likes, because they carry dust and definitely germs too. Ensure you, I do wash with salt, vinegar. I also do wash with detergent too, because prevention, they say, is better than cure. So I'll go ahead now and mash this fish with a fork. There's mayonnaise. So I apply mayonnaise on each of the bread slice. So I've added spread mayonnaise on this piece of bread. I'm going to add in the sardine. You can add in more or less depending on how you want it. Some people love very plenty mayonnaise, others don't. Like myself, I don't enjoy too much mayonnaise. So this is it. So I'll go ahead now and place another slice on top. You can remove these edges that were not cut out properly. Then divide them this way as if it's a club sandwich. So I'm done cutting, and here you have it. So that's it, guys. You can enjoy your sandwich with any beverage of your choice. Mine shall go down with tea, inshallah. Thanks for your time. Assalamu alaikum. See you next week. So guys, this is how mine is about to go down. Ensure you try this out and enjoy yourself. Assalamu alaikum. Don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to do so. This is next week on the channel.